This is Hornby Fan 78 with another Warden Thomas and Friends video. This time I'm showing all the trains I have from narrow gauge and standard gauge. CGI to now.
Peter Sam is to handle, but
yeah.
I just on the left ride.
Okay. Here's Thomas, Peter Sam, Sahandle, Paxton, Victor, Scullowy, Rusty, Sea Soaked Victor, Sydney, Norman, Butch, Bogie, Kelly, Patrick, Diesel, Coal Truck, Rock Truck, Awesome, just made up car, Troublesome Truck, Rickety, Gold Car, Never Boulder Car, Caboose, Never Thomas, Mighty Mac, and we'll go to his back. Hey. Gordon, Donald Tender, Truck, Henrietta, Butch, Caroline, Ari, Diesel 10, Another Boulder Car, Kevin, Gold Car, Bertram, Murdoch's Tender, Freddy, Milk Car, George, James's Tender, Wilbert, Douglas's Tender, Henry, Gordon's Tender, Murdoch, Toby, with Billy, Henry's Tender, Bert, Ari, Tom, Another Thomas, Emily, Barrel, Mavis, Donald, Derek, Terrence, Bill and Ben, Lady, Birdie, the Happy Hook, Isabella, Douglas, Clarabelle, Jack, Barrow, Hopper, Car, and Duck, Elfie, and Percy, Flat Car, Clarabelle, Troublesome, Emily's Tender, Troublesome Truck, Scruffy, and I don't think you'll see, but Neville. This is all my trains. Hope you could enjoy seeing them.
They're not all yours. Some of them are mine.
Yeah, I'm just gonna say it all mine because I'm just like saying.
Peter Sam's definitely mine.
Yeah, but I'm just saying it's just who really cares. Well, I hope you enjoyed, and if you want to know, the new James is playing as in the series Thomas. The new Thomas is playing as Peter Sam, and the new Percy is playing as Sahandle. Well, if you wanted to see all my trains, well, all of our trains, here they are.